Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Drone Black Friday is probably one of the most anticipated shopping events of the year for drone enthusiasts, and with good reason. This year's Black Friday sales promise a wide selection of top-tier drones from leading brands, offering significant discounts on models perfect for aerial photography, videography, racing, or simply enjoying recreational flights. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious beginner, this is the ideal time to upgrade your drone game or finally take to the skies with a high-quality device without breaking the bank. Prepare for takeoff as we dive into the best deals available this Black Friday. Number 5. Ruko F11 Mini Drone. It weighs under 250 grams, so you won't need to register it with the FAA. Enjoy stable flights indoors and outdoors thanks to its brushless motor. Capture breathtaking 4K photos and smooth 2.7K videos. The 120 degrees wide-angle lens and adjustable 90 degrees tilt ensure you get the perfect shot. With 2 intelligent batteries, you can enjoy up to 60 minutes of flight time. That's plenty of time for capturing amazing footage. It has intelligent GPS features like Follow Me and Waypoint Flight. It also features a safe auto-return to home function. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. One-touch takeoff and landing make flying a breeze. A camera cover protects it from damage. For best results, please use the included Ruko charger. Avoid using chargers designed for other devices or chargers with an output higher than 12V. What we like. It's lightweight enough to avoid FAA registration, perfect for beginners. Its 4K camera captures stunning footage, ideal for hobbyists. With a 60-minute flight time, you can explore extensively. This is the drone for you if you are looking for a hassle-free and high-quality aerial photography experience. What people say. The drone is built very well. The remote is very nice and the screen is easy to read even in the sun. The app is well designed and walks you through step by step. I've had it for a couple of years and can say that it is tough, user-friendly, and very capable. I bought this for documenting a home build in the mountains, so I needed one that has a good wind resistance and a decent range. This one can fight its way through a good gust, has a great range, and can find its way home if you lose sight. The Ruko F11 Mini is easy to set up and operate, making it great for both beginners and more experienced pilots. The controls are intuitive, which allows for a smooth flying experience. The compact design of the drone makes it easy to transport. Number 4. Holy Stone HS720 GPS Drone. It captures stunning 4K UHD images and videos. The image stabilization ensures smooth, shake-free footage, even when you're on the move. Never worry about losing it. It has GPS for automatic return to home, and intelligent flight modes like Follow Me and Waypoint. Enjoy up to 52 minutes of flight time with 2 intelligent batteries. That's plenty of time to capture all your amazing shots. It's designed for ease of use, even for beginners. Features like one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and emergency stop make flying a breeze. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it easy to transport and take with you wherever your adventures take you. The controller boasts a long range, LED indicators for battery and GPS status, and even a left-handed throttle mode option. What we like. Enjoy an impressive 52-minute flight time with its 2 batteries. The 4K UHD camera ensures crisp, clear videos. Its smart GPS features, like Follow Me, make it perfect if you are looking for a drone that simplifies your flying experience and allows you to focus on capturing amazing shots. What people say. Packaging and ease of assembly, excellent packaging in the included case, and literally no assembly, it's basically ready to fly out of the box. Low wind, medium wind 8 to 10 miles per hour gusts, and it holds position pretty rock steady. I have had this drone up to the factory ceiling of 116 m 380 feet every flight with 0 issues except for the FPV. Number 3. Holy Stone HS440 Drone. It features a 1080p HD camera with a 90-degree adjustable angle, controlled via remote or app. Captures stunning aerial scenery with its 112 degrees wide-angle lens, perfect for capturing life's moments from above. Enjoy an impressive 20-minute flight time. The powerful modular battery lets you explore more of your surroundings and capture longer videos. It's foldable and portable, making it easy to take anywhere. The included carrying case adds to its convenience and portability. It's designed for ease of use with features like automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. It makes creating amazing content simple and fun. It's ideal for beginners, offering intelligent functions like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. These features make flying safe and enjoyable for everyone. What we like. This drone boasts a 1080p camera for great image quality. Its 20-minute flight time is sufficient for many uses. Its foldable design makes it portable and convenient. It's great if you're looking for a compact and easy-to-use drone for casual flying and capturing memories. What people say. 2 batteries means long flight times for practice. Controls quite responsive, good beginner drone. Durable construction, crashed several times with no loss of props or anything but scratches. Number 2. Ruko F11GM2 drone. Capture breathtaking 4K video and photos with its advanced camera. The 2-axis gimbal and EIS technology ensure incredibly smooth, stable footage, no matter the conditions. Enjoy an impressive 64 minutes of flight time with 2 included batteries. That's more time in the air to explore and capture stunning moments. It boasts an impressive 3 km range, allowing you to explore vast landscapes. A beginner mode is available for first-time users. Experience enhanced image transmission stability and security with its improved USB connection. Never worry about losing your view again. It's built to withstand level 6 winds, ensuring stable footage even in challenging conditions. The powerful brushless motors keep it steady and in control. With intelligent GPS features like Auto Return Home, Follow Me, and Waypoint Flight, your adventures will be easy and creative. The app makes it simple to use. This drone complies with FAA remote ID requirements. The ID is located on the bottom of the drone. Contact us if you have any questions. For optimal performance, always use the Ruko charger provided. Avoid using chargers designed for other devices or those with an output higher than 12V. What we like. Experience an extended 64-minute flight time thanks to its dual batteries. Its gimbal-stabilized 4K camera delivers incredibly smooth footage. With a 3 km transmission range, you can explore further than ever before. This is the best option if you need long flight times and professional quality video. What people say. The drone gets you started in beginner mode where you can learn some of the features while limiting how far and high your drone can fly to protect both yourself and your investment in the drone. The 4K video and pictures are evident with every snap and video taken, the images are crystal clear, and we got some excellent video and images while vacationing in Bermuda. The return home button is fantastic and has always brought my drone home safely. Just be sure to set your return heights in the settings to coincide with the surrounding areas. Number 1. Holy Stone HS360S drone. It weighs less than 250 g, so you can fly it without needing FAA registration. Capture stunning footage on the go, hassle-free. This drone boasts a 4K camera with a wide-angle lens. You'll get amazing 4K videos and photos from a whole new perspective. Connect your smartphone to the controller with a single cable for real-time image streaming. Share your incredible visuals instantly. Enjoy a massive 10,000-foot control range and up to 20 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Explore further than ever before. Precise GPS positioning ensures stable flight and a safe return home. It automatically returns when the battery is low or connection is lost. It includes a beginner mode and optical flow positioning for easy control, making it perfect for novices. Mastering flight is simple and fun. With intelligent modes like Spiral Up, Catapult, and Follow Me, creating amazing aerial shots is effortless. Just tap once, and it does the work. The Holy Stone HS Fly app will keep getting better, improving your flight experience and video quality. We're always here to help if you need assistance. What we like. This lightweight drone requires no FAA registration, making it incredibly convenient. The 4K UHD camera captures breathtaking footage. Its impressive 10,000-foot range lets you explore vast areas. This is perfect if you value portability, high-quality video, and extensive range. What people say. The drone is super easy to use, super stable. Very compact and well designed. The quality image is very good and very stable for not having a gimbal. The controller though appears to be solidly built. I really like the idea of accessing my phone directly coupled to the controller. Reduces the possibility of any interference between the drone and my cell. Having used the Holy Stone HS360 for over 3 months now, I can confidently say it's a solid investment for drone enthusiasts and filmmakers alike. As my second drone, I've found its build quality to be exceptional, with brushless motors providing remarkable stability and a whisper-quiet flight experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.